Today, I want to talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on job markets. Have you ever wondered how technology shapes our daily lives? Let me start by telling you a story about a groundbreaking innovation. Imagine a world where renewable energy powers every home. In my experience, embracing failure is crucial for growth. Research shows that regular exercise improves mental health significantly. We often hear that education is the key to success. What if I told you that you could improve your productivity with just a few changes in your routine? Let's dive into the benefits of sustainable living. The problem is that many people still lack awareness about climate change. One of the biggest challenges is adapting to rapid technological changes. We need to rethink our approach to mental health care. The key takeaway is that collaboration drives innovation. Here's what I've learned from my research on social dynamics. This brings me to my next point about the role of technology in education. So, what can we do about the increasing inequality in our society? Consider the following example of how innovation transformed a traditional industry. It's important to remember that small changes can lead to significant results. Let me illustrate this with an example from recent technological advances. The impact of this new policy is evident in the improved public health outcomes. What does this mean for future generations? To put it simply, effective communication is crucial for successful teamwork. How can we apply these principles to our everyday lives? Let's explore this idea further by examining recent case studies. It's crucial to understand that leadership involves responsibility and empathy. Think about it this way: every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. This concept is important because it shifts our perspective on problem solving. We must address the root causes of inequality to create lasting change. This leads us to the conclusion that systemic reform is necessary. Let me explain why this matters in the context of global health. What we're seeing is a shift towards more sustainable practices in industry. The evidence suggests that early education plays a critical role in child development. It's not just about the technology, it's about how we use it. Here's a surprising fact: most people don't realize how much their daily habits affect their health. Think about the implications of AI in the workforce. To illustrate this point, consider the example of renewable energy adoption in Germany. This is where we can make a difference by supporting local initiatives. One way to approach this is through community engagement and collaboration. Let's break this down into manageable steps. The main issue is the lack of access to resources in underserved communities. This idea challenges the notion that technology is inherently isolating. We need to question our assumptions about success and failure. Here's why this is significant: it changes the way we think about education. To fully understand, we need to examine the underlying factors. Consider this perspective: every challenge is an opportunity for growth. The solution lies in innovative thinking and adaptability. In summary, the benefits of regular exercise cannot be overstated. To conclude, let's revisit the key points of today's discussion. Ultimately, we must embrace change to drive progress. The bottom line is that collaboration leads to better outcomes. What we need to realize is that innovation often comes from unexpected sources. This is a game changer because it challenges conventional wisdom. Let's take a closer look at the data from recent studies. We have to consider the long-term effects of our decisions. The results indicate that the new strategy is effective. What does this teach us about handling adversity? This approach offers a fresh perspective on problem solving. To put this into perspective, consider the historical context.
The real question is how to implement these ideas effectively.